In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView in Tamil, providing you with a complete TradingView tutorial in Tamil. This tutorial will guide you through the process of navigating and utilizing the TradingView platform effectively, specifically tailored to help you understand in your native language. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to TradingView's website. Once you've arrived there, you'll notice a wide array of products that TradingView offers. This platform is quite comprehensive, and it's here to give you access to diverse financial tools and data at your fingertips. You will see a section dedicated to community, which showcases ideas and scripts shared by other users globally. Engaging with this community can be a fantastic way to learn and share insights with others passionate about trading. As you explore further, you'll find detailed market information across various asset categories. TradingView leaves no stone unturned when it comes to providing financial data. Not only does it encompass traditional markets, but you'll also find in-depth information on stocks, funds, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, bonds, and even the economy. Essentially everything a trader might need. Options to tailor your viewing experience and track multiple markets are readily accessible. Next, we're going to add a symbol to get our analysis started. Simply click on the plus sign button to add different symbols to your watch list. TradingView provides a vast range of symbols. Whether you're interested in stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, there's something here for you. For this example, let's focus on forex trading. Once you've added forex symbols, click on a pair, for instance, USD/JPY. This is a common forex pair, providing a good starting point for beginners. Once you've selected a symbol, you can click on it and opt for the full chart view. This leads you to a detailed representation of market data, where you can see trends and patterns that might inform your trades. After opening the full chart view, there are various tools available to enhance your analysis. TradingView allows you to add indicators, which can help you interpret the data and identify trends. Moreover, there's a replay function that gives you the ability to review previous market movements, offering a comprehensive understanding of how past patterns have evolved over time. Finally, enrich your analysis using tools like drawing lines or adding Fibonacci retracements. These features are crucial for technical analysis, allowing you to predict potential market moves with greater precision. Whether you're drawing support and resistance lines or plotting Fibonacci, TradingView equips you with all the necessary